The purpose of this video series is to demonstrate you the operation of Tecom's D1021 video doorbell. And today I'm going to show you the adjustment of doorbell motion detection. So, D1021 has camera motion sensor and passive infrared or PIR motion sensor. You can access motion detection settings by pressing the menu button on the app home screen. The sequence goes like this: Menu, System Settings, Doorbell Settings. Here you will have the name of your doorbell. I happen to name mine Front Door. System Settings page has several sections. We need to scroll down to find Doorbell Motion Detection. Here it is. Here you can find Adjustment Motion Detection region, enable or disable video motion detection and set up its sensitivity level, and also enable or disable PIR sensor and set up its sensitivity. Let's go through these settings one by one. Here we go. Motion detection region opens up a grid with the actual live picture. Here I'm going to set up the areas that I would love my doorbell to respond to when somebody is approaching it. Let's make it this, this, and this. Okay, now to make our designated areas work, we need to go back to the setting list and enable our motion sensor. Okay. Here you can play around with the sensitivity level depending on your door location and its exposure to the traffic, sunlight, or pets running around. For the demonstration purposes, I'm going to set it up on medium. Here we go. Now the doorbell starts sending us notifications about the movement in front of it. To make sure that we get really precise notifications and that it's not just the gust of wind causing our doorbell to send us messages about movement at the door, let's enable the PIR and let's set it up on medium. And now we can start receiving the precise notifications about the movement at our door even before the visitor presses the doorbell button.